अभी इसको साफ करना पड़ेगा, पहले तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। करते हैं। मेरी दूसरी गाड़ी इधर से जंप स्टार्ट लेते हैं और स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो दिस इज माय जंपर वायर। I can start my Honda City, which has got a low battery, using my Amage, which is running and brand new. So let us go to the car, and this is the running car. We have to connect these terminals plus and minus to the dead car, minus and plus. So let us try this out, guys. I have the key, but it doesn't work. This is Honda City key. Let me connect it. This is the cable, jumper cable. I purchased this when I was in US. So let me go to the good car and connect it to the bad car. Red to red, black to black. Sparking, so that's good. Can show you how did I connect it. Connected red and black to the respective terminals, black terminal to the black, red terminal to the red. Similarly, connected red terminal to the red, black terminal to the black. We get a little bit of spark, but that's fine. Let me go and start the car. Here is my key. I have tried it. It does not help. It does not start. Probably the charge is so low so that it cannot help me. I am just keeping this on for some time and I'll come back. See, we have given this close up now. Black wire to the black, red wire to the red. Similarly, on the dead car or the troublesome car where there is no starting happening. There the red wire and the black wire to the black. Sometimes the terminals are not that good, so you have to give it in a good conductor where there is good exposure. So I was connecting there to the battery terminal, but that was not a good conductor, so it was not starting. So I have tried with the other terminal where it is good conductor. The bolt was exposed, so let us try that. Let's go to the dead car and see what is the status there. This is a good car, running car. So in a running condition I have connected the dead car, the battery, where the battery is dead or weak. Let us go inside. Can insert it. This was even giving the beeper because some battery was there. I get the dashboard completely lit. And let's crank. And here is a success. So this got started now. Need to be cleaned, or I can say I can give a wash, water wash. Things are dead. Or I can say we did not see these cars for 2 months almost. A lot of rats have come and gone. The impressions there also. Now I'll keep it running. So let's remove the black first. And the red. And don't touch these two terminals. Because they are running from a live car. I will remove the black again here. And red. Now they are safe. So this jumper wire helped me in starting up my dead car. I'm here again with a problem of my car, which is MH, and this particular car had a problem on my right hand side front wheel, that is puncture. In this lockdown period we have never checked the car. Then I realized that the air doesn't stick to that. The right hand side front, that is driver side, had a flat tire. So now I will tell you a simple method to check that. With a running car we don't need any jack or something. So I have come to a open place where it is fully lit, and let me show you. This is my car. So I have seen the puncture, but let me show you. If at all you don't know where is the puncture, so you need to locate the surface, but with these conditions you cannot look at the surface. So you have to tilt the wheel either this side away from the car, from the front or the rear. You can do both way, but in this I have seen the puncture is somewhere here. There is a screw, or there is a nail already stuck into that, and I have the puncture kit. I can do it here itself without any jack, without anything. So let me show you. I have come inside the car and got my 12 volt DC compressor, which I always use for my car repairs. Now, since the car's wheel is in the straight, I know the puncture is somewhere in the behind the wheel. I have seen the screw. There is a small screw or a nail, I can say, stuck into the innermost side of the tire. So let us make the tire deviated so that the inside, the front end goes to the inside and the rear end should go to the away from the car. That means rotate the steering this way, anti-clockwise. Since this power steering, so you don't have much problem doing that. And let's get outside and see whether we can look at the nail. Let's get out. Here it is. If you remove this, you will lose the pressure, and immediately we have to plug in the puncture, what do you say, you have to put the puncture immediately. I have the kit, I can show you, but if you may ask me why did I turn the wheel this side, because I had inspected it, I saw this. If you are unsure, then you can do the other way and rotate the car or move the car front and back little bit, then you can find any surface, anything stuck here. In the entire surface, anything stuck here. So this concludes the puncture. I will show you how to put the puncture immediately. So okay, in my car I got the puncture kit. This is not costly, friends. They are just 50 rupees. The entire thing comes, there is a, what do you say, this is useful after the puncture is there. You have to just do it several times to and fro so that the surface becomes smoother, and your glue, the glue stick, will fit into that properly. Let me see whether this is fully dry. No, it is still good. And this one is, you know, this one will take the glue stick or the glue patch inside, and we have to just insert it and insert this and pull this quickly out, and that's it. That will make the puncture. There is a small knife later if you want to cut it off extra. That's all in this toolkit. Let's see. Not tough, but I am worried this glue should be much more floppier. It should be softer. Seems to me harder, so let me take some other piece. All are same type, so let's try this out, guys. I hope this will stick, and I'm ready. Let us go to the car. That's it. I think that much is the work. We spend 50 rupees outside if you do, but if you have these 50 rupees, then you can puncture for 5 times. You get 5. I can tell you it was somewhere around here. Yes, it is fixed now, so that's done. Tomorrow we'll check the air pressure, then I'll release this video.